Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring OpenVPN, a trusted and secure VPN protocol that helps protect your online activity. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set it up using a custom UDP service on your Android phone. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Search for OpenVPN for Android and install the app by Arne Schwabe. This app is free and commonly used for VPN configurations. Step 2. Launch your browser, such as Chrome or Firefox. Search for SSH UDP online and visit the official website. Make sure the site uses HTTPS and looks secure and legitimate before continuing. Step 3. In a Man menu, tap on Server, select the OpenVPN section from the available VPN options, choose a server location that suits your region or preference. Create your OpenVPN account by entering a username. Some websites may ask for an SNI or host name as well. Download the configuration files for TCP, UDP, or SSL and save them to your device. Step 4. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online. Open the OpenVPN app. Tap the plus icon to import a new configuration file. Choose the TCP file you downloaded earlier. Enter your OpenVPN username and password. Tap Connect to establish a secure VPN connection. Step 5. Open the TCP configuration file using a text editor like Notepad or QuickEdit. Add your custom payload below the configuration section, if required by your setup. Add proxy settings using this format: HTTP proxy, proxy IP port, HTTP proxy retry. Save the edited file, re-import it into the OpenVPN app, and tap Connect. Step 6. Open the OpenVPN app again. Import the UDP configuration file you downloaded earlier. Enter your OpenVPN credentials. Tap Connect to establish a secure UDP connection. Closing and community info. You have now successfully set up OpenVPN using both TCP and UDP methods, including advanced proxy and payload options. This setup provides secure, encrypted browsing on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.